Hey everyone, it's Dave here. Today, we're going to make sure your characters on Leonardo AI stay looking just right. Ever seen a superhero who suddenly turns into a pizza? Or a wizard who's wearing bunny slippers? Stick with me as we learn how to keep your characters looking the same in every scene using the free version of Leonardo AI. Let's make sure they're always on point, so let's dive in. Go to ChatGPT and enter the first prompt I've given in the description. This prompt will generate many physical features with examples like eye color, hair type, hairstyle, and more that a human character can have. You can now create an image prompt based on your preferences with these attributes. Feel free to use the examples given or choose any options you like to describe the character. You can also remove any attributes if needed. For instance, you don't need the facial hair attribute for female characters. Finally, don't forget to give the character a name and an age. After choosing your attribute options, go to ChatGPT and enter prompt 2 with the options you've selected. Copy this prompt, go to Leonardo AI, and paste it. Leonardo AI will create for images based on the prompt. Copy the seed from your latest generation. Then, copy the character generation prompt again, but only change the character's action, posture, expression, and background. Leave everything else the same. Look, this method will help you create consistent characters for free using Leonardo AI. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome free AI videos. Drop your questions in the comments, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends.